Imagine an object moving through the sky. Not at the speed of an airplane, not even several times faster than that, but 5 times the speed of sound. This realm is called hypersonic.
If you haven't joined us yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to join our family. Your support gives us energy. Now, let's get into the video.
First, we need to understand what is Mach. You've probably heard the term Mach before. It's a unit used to measure the speed of an object moving through air. In fact, it compares the object's speed to the speed of sound in that medium. When an object moves at the speed of sound, it is traveling at Mach 1. It's helpful to know that Mach speeds are divided into several categories. Subsonic, any object moving below Mach 0.8. Transonic, between Mach 0.8 and Mach 1, right at the edge of the sound barrier. Supersonic, between Mach 1.2 and Mach 5. Most modern fighter jets, like the F-35 or Su-57, reach these speeds. Hypersonic, any speed above Mach 5. But why is anything above Mach 5 called hypersonic? There are 3 scientific reasons. 1. Air heats up intensely. At Mach 5 and above, the air compresses violently in front of the object, forming shock waves that dramatically increase temperature. The heat can push the surface beyond 1,000 degrees Celsius. At these temperatures, common metals like aluminum would simply melt. 2. Air molecules change their nature. This is the most important part. At Mach 5, the kinetic energy is so high that the chemical bonds between oxygen and nitrogen molecules begin to break. The air becomes a chemically active environment. It can even ionize into plasma. 3. The boundary layer becomes thin and unstable. At these speeds, air no longer behaves like a simple gas, but more like a thick, viscous fluid with intense friction. Now, let's look at different types of missiles. Cruise missiles, they fly like an aircraft. They typically travel at around 800 to 900 kilometers per hour. They're stealthy, fly low, and incredibly precise. Think of the American Tomahawk or Iran's Pave. Ballistic missiles, these are different. They're powered by rocket engines and exit the atmosphere completely. After motor burnout, the booster separates and the warhead continues its silent, high-speed arc toward the target. Hypersonic missiles. The importance of hypersonic weapons lies in their extreme speed and maneuverability. Because they can change direction at Mach 5+, they drastically reduce the reaction time of any defense system. How do they launch? Liquid fuel, high thrust, precise control, but dangerous to handle. Solid fuel, ready to launch in minutes. Its main advantage is readiness. Scramjet engines, these are the future. They have no moving parts. They rely entirely on the extreme speed of incoming air for combustion, essentially like trying to light a match in the middle of a violent storm. Now, considering the rapid advancement of hypersonic missiles, which are extremely difficult to detect and intercept, do you think the era of fighter jets and large aircraft carriers is coming to an end? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Thanks for watching until the end. To support us, just hit that red subscribe button. This way, you won't miss any of our new videos. See you in the next one. Bye.